At Marywood University in the United States, there is no application fee and also there is scholarship.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
When you click on the link in the description section, it will lead you to this website where you will see applying for undergraduate admission. The $35 application fee is waived when you submit through the Marywood online application. When you submit through any of these application sites, the $35 application fee will be waived. You can also use the net price calculator, and on this website you will see transcripts. You are to request an official copy of your high school transcript, dual enrollment transcript, or transcript of any college classes that you have taken. It must be sent to Marywood University admission. Also, test is optional at Marywood. Then letter of recommendation, you have to provide one letter of recommendation from a school-based counselor or academic teacher, and they also welcome additional letters from teachers, friends, or family members who are familiar with your academic achievements and interests. Essay is also optional. If you will be submitting essay, then you submit an essay of at least 250 words. And here are the undergraduate resources. You see Marywood's core curriculum, schedule of class, undergraduate catalog, and this is for parents. They've put together some resources for campus, the local area and beyond, which may be useful as you assist your child through the admission process. And then after you've applied, you can read this, every other thing you need to know, and then you submit your deposit. When you click on the link in the description section, you'll be able to read everything you need to know about this university. Give it a try now, and I wish you good luck. For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com.